Hi, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to do our daily calendar review. All right, so this month we're working on finding a pattern, so we have to identify our core first. So let's go ahead and click Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to see if it reveals our core. So on Saturday is another sun, all right? And on Sunday is a flower. And today, Monday, is another flower. So far we have sun, sun, flower, flower. Now nothing has repeated yet, boys and girls, so we have to say that we still don't know our core. All right, but maybe tomorrow we'll find out. All righty, so let's say the date today. So today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Excellent. And if today is Monday, that means yesterday was Sunday. Can you say that for me? All right, and what is tomorrow going to be? Tuesday. Good, let's say that together. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okie dokie. All right, and now that we've had a few days in the month of May, we can identify the day before and the day after with ease. So if today is the 4th, what is the day before? The 3rd is the day before. And what is the day after? The 5th. The 5th is the day after. Excellent, guys. All right, now we are ready for spiral review. We have a full week this week, so Miss Frank made some questions. So get out that paper and a pencil and get ready. All right, our first question of the month of May is to create an AB pattern. So go ahead and make that AB pattern. All right, now if I wanted to make an AB pattern, boys and girls, I could use colors, I could use shapes or anything like that. So today I'm just going to use colors, and I'm going to go ahead and say blue, red, blue, red. It's not very neat of Miss Frank, sorry guys. Blue, red, and there's my AB pattern. So here is my core. I have A, B, A, B, A, B. All right, our next question. Number bonds. All right, so I have 5 as my whole. So 2 and what else makes 5? All right, boys and girls, if you didn't get a chance to finish them, you can always draw your number bond, or you can just write that number that's missing. And 2 and what makes 5? 2 and 3 makes 5. So I know 2 and 3 makes 5. Excellent. All right, what is 1 less than the number 4? I have 4. I take 1 away. 3 is 1 less than 4. Oop, my 3 is missing its hat. 3 is 1 less than 4. So I have 4, I take 1 away, and now I have 3. Excellent. All right. This last one is to count by tens. So each of these rods is worth 10, and so I have to count by 10. So go ahead and count by tens. All right, let's practice together. 10, 20, 30. Now, did I have to count every single little box? No, because I knew that each of these was worth 10s and I could count by 10s. So this is worth 30, and I write 30 by creating a 3 and then a 0 to make 30. Excuse me. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day. I will see you very soon. I love you.